Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we have some fantastic news to share with you about Austrian Airlines and their plans for fleet modernisation and growth. They've set their sights on the Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner, an aircraft representing the latest in aviation technology. So Austrian Airlines have announced that they will be acquiring 10 Boeing 787-9 Dreamliners to modernise and expand their long-haul fleet. The first Dreamliner is expected to land in Vienna in 2024 and will increase the airline's fleet to 66 aircraft during the summer flight schedule that year. By 2028, 9 additional Boeing 787-9s will replace the current long-haul jets in the 777 and 767 family. These Dreamliners will be gradually transferred from Lufthansa Airlines or acquired through existing orders within the Lufthansa Group, resulting in a significant rejuvenation of Austrian Airlines fleet. Austrian Airlines CEO Annette Mann expressed her excitement, stating, "With the Dreamliner, Austrian Airlines is taking off to a new era of aircraft and is setting course for growth. The fleet induction of 10 Boeing 787-9 in the coming 5 years shows that we are fit for investments and the future." The Boeing 787 Dreamliner is known for its efficiency due to innovative technology, lighter weight and improved aerodynamics and modern jet engines. It consumes around 2.5 litres of fuel per passenger for every 100 kilometres, reducing fuel consumption by up to 20% compared to a Boeing 767. Austrian Airlines COO Francesco Sciortino shared his enthusiasm, saying, "With Boeing 787s, we are bringing one of the most innovative long-haul models on the market to Austrian Airlines. This is a team effort Austrian Airlines can be proud of." Passengers on board the Dreamliner can look forward to a modern lighting system, ample overhead bins and larger windows that provide a better view of the horizon. The lighting system adjusts to passengers' biorhythms, helping to reduce jet lag. The aircraft's windows, some of the largest in the industry, can be dimmed according to individual needs, allowing passengers to enjoy the view above the clouds. In summary, the acquisition of the 787 Dreamliners will propel Austrian Airlines into a new era of aviation, providing a more comfortable and efficient travel experience for their passengers. The airline's commitment to modernising and growing its fleet showcases its dedication to staying at the forefront of the industry. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments down below regarding the Dreamliner, or whether they should have gone for the A350. So please let us know, and we'll see you next time.